Hello guys, this is epsytech and today, as you see, we've got a lot of batteries here, but I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do in this video. As a child, I always loved to see the trains around the trees, Christmas trees. And I remember perfectly of seeing, for example, a tree with a train, and every time I was going to a friend's house, and in that house there was a train around the tree, I was just keep hours and hours watching the train and admiring the train. I don't know, that's a Christmas feeling. And as you know, this year I decided to what? Yes, I just buy one. Let's check it out. It's a big one, I bought the big one. Anyhow, as you can see, there's a lot of batteries to it. Now I'm gonna build it so that I can share my happiness with you guys. Let's open the box and see what we got inside. Okay guys, just look at, this is the train tracks, and we've got some signs to, maybe we have some stickers put on it, and you've got, just look at the carriage of this train. It's really great. Okay, let's continue the unboxing. Okay guys, so now we are going to build all the trail track and see if we can finish this. The train track is really huge. I know that the tree is on the middle, the train will go all around the tree, so I just have one option. I will have to build it on floor. Let's check it out. As you can see, I've already built the train, more or less 20 minutes, and I must say that it's easy to mount this one. Okay, it's a big one, but it's easy. You can short the train track by removing some straight lines, and you receive a remote control too, which is nice, so you can put forward, stop, or backwards, as you can see. And you can put it, and you can put some music, Christmas music, and here we go. Well, I'm feeling a kid now. Really awesome. Yeah. Não acredito. Martim. Oi. Não acredito. Looks like I'm not gonna use it this Christmas since my kids didn't like it. Oh my god. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!